Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it has been a while since I sat like a sit down, talk to you kind of video, and I know it's been a while, so I'm trying to do my best effort of keeping up with those. But I had to do this video because I have a very exciting package come to me this morning from Pretty Little Thing, and I actually ordered a whole bunch of stuff from the Pretty Little Things by Little Mix collection, and I was so excited for that. Like, if I had to be in one girl band, it would 100% be Little Mix. From their songs, their style, their dance moves, their personalities, they are it. And I love their clothing, and I was super excited that they were doing collaboration with Pretty Little Thing. So the second that it launched over in the UK, I woke up at like 5 a.m. that day just to get as much as I could before it sold out. So I'll be showing you guys that stuff, and I also ordered a whole bunch of other things as well. I'm heading on vacation soon, so I ordered a few beachwear things as well as the Little Mix things. I did just try it on. I have it on camera for you because I wanted to get my first reactions to it, trying it on camera so I can talk about it here as well, so I can give you all the full details. I'll make sure I give you guys sizing information, I will give you prices and all things like that. So without further ado, I won't spend too much time on this intro. We are going to jump into my clothing haul from Pretty Little Thing. So I did buy everything with a 50% off coupon. Pretty Little Thing does have 50% off a lot of the time, so I was super pumped they had it when the Little Mix collection launched. So I will give you the original price plus the price that I paid. Alright, so my first item is from the Little Mix collection, and it is part of their Python little moment that they had. So I got Perry Edwards look, and it is this Python bustier kind of crop top. And this was originally $35, but I got it for $17.50. And it has a little zip backing here. And then I got the pants. The pants were originally $62, but I got them for $31. And then these are the pants. So just starting off with the material of them, for a Python, for not that expensive, it's actually pretty good. It feels like a Python would without the scales coming off of it. So it does feel pretty good. The only thing that I was a little disappointed in this outfit, because I wanted this to be like, you know, like a moment. I feel like a full Python outfit is definitely a moment, especially in pink. But I thought it was nice because it was a two set. It was sold separately, so you can pair it back with other things. The pants are like just like a black bodysuit or black crop top. And then of course the crop top was just like a pair of jeans or a skirt or whatever you want it to be. But the only thing is the fit was not well. So with Pretty Little Thing too, most of the time their things do run a little bit small. So I always tell people to order up a size, which I usually do, and it usually works out. So I got this in a US 10. I'm usually like a US 6, 8 depending, but normally like an 8, especially in pants because my waist is smaller than my hips. But the pants just did not fit right. The waist was ginormous on me, then it was a little bit tight through the thighs, and then it has just a lot of extra material through the crotch, so it just was not flattering at all. And I really had high hopes for these pants, for this whole look, but I think this is going to be one of the things that I'm going to be returning. This top I got in a US 8, and it was a little bit big on me as well. I was a little bummed on that too, because even if the pants didn't work, I thought it had the top for something like even like a black blazer with a skirt, something of the sort. I actually purchased something later on that I'll show you that I thought I can swap this out for. But it just is a little bit big. I'm going to think if I'm going to hold on to this one or not. That's that. So with the Little Mix collection, they kind of had like these moments. So there was like a python, a sequin, this like mosaic kind of moment, and then a black sparkle moment. So I love this mosaic print in their collection. This is what it looks like. It's just a beautiful metallic foil kind of gold on it. So I got a few things from this moment in the collection. So my first one was the skirt. I think it was Leanne's skirt. Or was it Jade's? No, I think it was Leanne's skirt. This came with the matching top, but I opted out for it because I thought this would look really cute with just like a black bodysuit and the matching headband that I got with it. The headband was originally $22, but I got it for $11. So the skirt was $40, but I got it for $16 because I actually used a 60% off coupon for that one because I ended up ordering it after I ordered all the first stuff because I was like, should have got that skirt. So I did. So, like I was saying, I always order up a size in Pretty Little Thing just because they always are a little bit small, and especially in skirts too. I am on the taller side. I'm about like 5'6½", 5'7". So that extra length really gives me what I need, because when I order my true to size, it's very short and it's like a little inappropriate. But then this skirt ended up being ginormous, so there's that. But I think if I go down a size online, like in their in Pretty Little Things sizing, I think it's going to be too short or maybe just too small. So I think I want to get this taken in. I'm hoping they can just do it from the sides because the back kind of has like a dart and it has a zipper. So I'm going to bring it to my dry cleaner and see if they're able to do that for me. But I love this. I think just with like black boots, a black moment, whether it's a turtleneck or a bodysuit, would look really great with that. And then of course the matching headbands. It's all about the headbands right now, as you can see. So I think the headband would look super cute. And the headband has like double duty too because I also got another outfit from this Mosaic moment. So up next, I got Perry's dress from this Mosaic moment. It was originally $62. I got it for $31. So it's kind of like a two-part outfit. So you can wear it by itself or you can wear it with the bustier with it. So it's this off-the-shoulder white button-down dress. It is a little bit see-through, so you just want to make sure you're wearing the right undergarments with it, whether that is Spanx, Skims, nude underwear, whatever it may be. But it does come with this bustier to go with it in that mosaic print. And this I got in a size 10, a US 10. I wish I went down smaller. Again, I went up a few sizes for length, but this I just wish it was a little bit tighter through the waist, so it snatched me in a little bit more, but what can I do? But I actually really like this look. It's definitely a look. It's a lot, but I thought with some cool black boots with that, it'd be a really cool moment for like a night out. They do have matching boots in that mosaic print as well, but I decided not to get that and just pair it with a pair of black boots. I think it'd be really cool, but really at the end of the day, where am I going? So just with black boots, I think it would look good. So that is all I got from the Little Mix collection. But now I'm going to show you what I got. I got a few beachwear items for an upcoming trip that I have. So in swimwear, I love a matching set. I love like a printed bathing suit that goes back with its cover up, whether it's pants, a button down, an oversized button down, which is my favorite. I actually have one that I wore this summer from In the Style, and I love it, and I gotten so many compliments on it, and I was eyeing this one from Pretty Little Thing for so long, but they never like had my size in stock. So luckily they had the bathing suit in stock for me. So this is what the bottoms look like. I got it in an 8, I think. Yeah, a US 8. So this is what the bottoms look like. They're a little bit cheeky in the back, but I like that too. I feel like it shapes the butt a little bit better than like a full one. I don't think I've worn like a full back bathing suit in 2 years. I think it's just a lot more flattering. Then I got the matching top. It is a padless, kind of more of like a sports bra bralette top. And I don't like padding my bathing suits either, so this is right up my alley. And it does have adjustable straps in the back if you need to adjust it. But I'm just obsessed with this print. Blue is my favorite color, especially like a nice royal cobalt blue. So then they did have a button down oversized shirt that matches this, but it's been sold out forever. And they do have a matching beach pant, which has been sold out forever. So they had one size left, but it's a size, either a 12 or 14, a size 12. But they're really, really big, and I'm really hoping that I can bring this to the dry cleaner and they're able to snatch that in for me, because I love a good matching moment, and this will be perfect for our upcoming trip. So I have to bring those and see what we can do. And then I'll tell you the prices of those. So the pants I ended up getting for $6. So even if like they don't work, is it the end of the world? I mean, yeah, it is, but it's okay. And then the top was $8 and the bottom was $8. So like, you really can't complain. It was so cheap. So then I got one more bathing suit. I got this in a US size 8. These were full price though, so I got them 50% off. Full price, top 22, got it for 11. Bottom, originally 15, got it for $7.50. So I will show you the top of this. I've been wanting a bathing suit like this forever. It's like one of those kind of like sleeved ones that tie in the front. Again, it is padless. The fit on this was pretty good. It was a little small around my arms, but not too bad. But now the bottom is where it was a little tricky. So in my past with ordering my Pretty Little Thing, I usually get a size up again, and they're usually good. But this one has a band around the waist. So it is a little bit tighter, so I probably could have sized up. And they're very cheeky in the back too. So they're very high-waisted and very cheeky. So this I probably would have sized up and not gotten my true to size. But usually in bathing suits, they run a little bit big. But I messed up in that one. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. And the last thing I got was this white, long beach cover up. It's see-through, but I like a good see-through look when I'm on the beach. It's a little bit more casual. You can see your swimsuit through it, so you're never covering up the swimsuits, because a lot of the swimsuits I have are expensive and I want them on display 24/7. So this was originally $32 and I got it for $16. And I feel like I needed like a nice white one. I have a lot of black and colored cover-ups, but I needed a nice white one to go with all of my swimsuits. So that is it for my Pretty Little Thing haul. I thought I got a lot of great things, and I only ended up spending about $160 for, I think it was 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. That's great. That's good. That's good shopping. So like, I shouldn't even feel guilty about it. Just a little bit, but I shouldn't. But I got a lot of great things, and I'm excited to wear them and style them. If you guys want to see when I wear them and how I wear them, how I style them, and what it looks like, follow me on Instagram at KeeganCP. I will post my outfits there. And that's about it. Let me know if you guys shop the Little Mix collection and what you got and what your favorite look was or what you wish you got. And we can kind of chat about it down in the comments. So that is it for the video. I will see you guys hopefully soon for a new one. Bye!